Above the ground where silence grows, a frozen world in drifting snow. The earth is breathing soft and slow, lost in white the paths I know. No shadows here, no lines below, just clouds that move, just winds that flow. Through the fog I let it go, I'm flying over ice and stone. I find a place I've never known. The mountains sleep beneath the light, wrapped in mist, erased from time. Every sound is fading out, only air is all around. No fear, no name to say, just endless white to drift away. Through the fog, through falling snow, I disappear, I'm letting go. Above the world, above the noise, I hear the silence call my voice. Fade to white, fade to snow.